So here I just wanted to show you my Scopulicola pups coming off the mother plant here. I just saw it had 2 pups here on the back and one just pushing through here. And over here we have a Peruvianus with a couple of new pups as well. And here is your standard San Pedro. When I planted it, it was basically this bit here, this bit, and this bit, and all the rest is new growth in the last probably about 4 years. And I've just started digging out this bank too, getting rid of the weeds and things. Got a few different Trichocereus species here on the bank. Got some bridgesii here. Sort of either Peruvianus or some sort of San Pedro hybrid, wild type maybe. Got a few different ones. Anyway, more of that later.